Hello and welcome to Home Cooking Spain. Today I'm going to be cooking a spicy cheese, garlic and parsley omelette just for myself, and I will be eating it with beans. Okay then, so we got the 3 eggs here, which I'm going to give them a good beating. I've got my cheese ready here, my freshly cut parsley from the garden, and about 3 garlic cloves chopped up. Today I'm going to be eating this with Heinz baked beans, which I haven't had for a year, 2 years, I can't remember. I managed to find them the other day when I went shopping. And today, as my wife is not home, I'm home alone, well, I can eat something that I don't normally cook when it's the 2 of us. Okay, enough of that. So next, I've got my frying pan here. There you go. So I'll turn this on. I'll turn it up to number 7. And I'm going to add in just about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm going to directly chuck in the garlic there. I just want to gently fry it off a bit. Not brown, just gently fried it, you know. Okay, so once the garlic is starting to get that brown colour, what I'll do is just chuck in the parsley. I'm going to leave a bit out to push it up for the thumbnail, of course. And I'm just going to mix this up. I don't want it to burn, so about 20 seconds I'll take it out and I will empty it onto the egg. There you go. I'll leave a bit of oil in the pan for later. Right, so what I'll do next, I'd add some cayenne pepper. Just going to give it a good sprinkle. Obviously you can put in as much or as less as you like. As this is for me and only me, well, I'm going to give it a nice generous amount. And this is a spicy paprika. Also a nice sprinkle there. Some black pepper. I love black pepper. Oops, this is nearly breaking. One day this broke and everything just fell in my dinner. Don't want that to happen again, do we? So we'll give it a good sprinkle of this black pepper. Oh yes, I love black pepper. Freshly ground black pepper. So that is that. Then, of course, some salt. Can't forget the salt. That's that. I'm going to add in milk. Give it a good beating before we put it in the frying pan. Look at that. Looks like mud. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, so I've put my frying pan back on the heat and just wait for that to heat up a little bit. I don't want it too hot. I'm going to take it nice and easy today. Okay, so this should be sort of hotish. So what I'll do is chuck in everything there. And what I do with this is like that, and like that, and do this every minute or so until you've got no raw egg. This pan shouldn't stick anyway, so it should be okay. Okay, so this is looking good. Hardly any egg left at the top. So what I'm going to do, let's take the zoom out of this. Let's see if you can watch me do it. Hopefully it'll come out. Not too sure though. Whoa, look at that. Nearly. Well, not too bad. And just let that side cook. And what I'll do on this side now, just add in the cheese. And just leave it there for a minute or so, so the bottom cooks. And we'll have a sip of wine. And cheers everyone. Okay, that should be enough. So now I'm going to turn this in half. Oh yes! Look at that. And I'll just let it cook there. I want it well done. I like it toasty. If you don't, it will probably be okay by now. So we'll just leave it there a minute or so. Okay, let's turn this over again. Yes, just how I like it, nice and toasty. Beautiful. Got my beans in the microwave. I could have used a pot on here, but it's quicker in the microwave. How do you warm your beans up? Microwave or in a pot? On the stove? Let me know in the comments. Well, this looks ready, doesn't it? So let's put it on the plate. Okay, so here it is. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm gonna have a nice lunch today. So there you go. So let's push it up a bit, though it doesn't really need it. You can see the parsley already. But I love parsley, so let's chuck it in. Okay then. So I hope that you enjoyed today's quick recipe video. Please give me a like if you enjoyed it. I appreciate it very much. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. That would be cool. And I look forward to sharing my next recipe with you. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.